Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of my family and friends. This is a short video showing my amazing trip to one of my favorite places in the whole world, and that's Arno Atoll. The original plan was to head out to Kili Island, but because of the dengue fever outbreak and the travel ban, that wasn't possible. Although we were told the travel ban was lifted, we were also told we would have to go through some kind of quarantine just to head out there, and it just wasn't worth it. But I was lucky enough to be able to head out to Arno, where I was able to celebrate not only Christmas, but also my good friend Pin's birthday as well, which is what this video is all about. So, hope you like it.
Hold on.
So,
Start.
today is our second day in Arno. Yesterday was Pin's birthday, but we're celebrating her birthday today and not yesterday. So we're going to make some cake, island style. There are no ovens here, since there's really no electricity. So we're going to kind of figure this out as we go along. We're going to make yellow cake, my favorite, and Pin's favorite, traditional chocolate cake. So we have our bowls, we have our water, batter, eggs, and oil right here. We don't have any kind of measurement, so we're gonna figure this out as we go along. Yep. Oh, that one was already cracked. 1 egg, 2 egg. Oh. And 3 eggs. Half a cup of oil. I don't know what is half a cup of oil. How's that? You think that's good? Give it a little more. We're gonna have a very... Oh, I forgot. 1 cup of water. Yeah, that's about 1 cup. Why is this cake so runny, watery? So professional. I think that's the last of the eggs, isn't it?
3.
No more. Like a chocolate fountain. A beautiful yellow cake is now going into the pan. Do what?
Having fun with you.
You didn't think you were going to?
This is so great.
Our cakes are ready. Just waiting on the oven right now. Yummy cakes.
We're still waiting.
Waiting for the coals.
Give me that.
It's not burnt, is it burnt?
See?
Oh, just a little bit on the side. Still looks good. Oh.
See? This side is burn. Pun ka Jod. May pala mo tuloy. Aman. Aman kaya. Yung wala.
It's alright.
Cake number 2.
Cake number 2.
Hopefully it turned out good.
If not, it's okay. It's just a chocolate one.
Iya.
It's called beauty.
Tadi dia ni Iokwe. Eh?
Not. Dengan mana ke gitu. An ke. Not.
Yung walang jay chalay. Wah, mari. Cilu.
Okay, cake number 1 is finished. Here's Pin celebrating her birthday. What do you think, Pin?
Thank you.
Even though you bought most of the ingredients.
Yep.
Yung mo yung miniwan dyan na yan. Yung may yung ang watching na.
Ngayon look ka rin.
Yung ako miniwan na medyo.
Chalam.
Yung agreement.
Oh. Pero kejadian. Cake number 2.
Cake number 2 and was all done. Now it's time to eat them. And was
Nice. We're done cooking.
Done
Now
cooking.
we're gonna eat them. Birthday.
yeah, perfect. Now we share the cake for everybody.
Jangan apa-apa. Pwede mga yellow, pwede mga yellow.
Ito mga bawad pen.
Ito. Papa, ito mga.
Ang uywad purdo lang.
Ay, kanal ini ulang udah tak kaya.
Tira na lang. Thank God for holding my life till now. Aku nggak pa yan ito ini. Kemon po na ito na kanayang yaro ko siya. Po na yung kanala.
Got the camera away. Success.
Success.
This is how you drink coconut. See? Perfect. So good.
Try to show what's inside. Also
It's... I don't know how to
clear
explain
water.
it.
It's clear, sweet water.
Okay, then you can watch it going to the mouth. So this is our last day in Arno. Last day celebrating Pin's birthday. No more birthday after today. Nobody cares anymore. Right?
No, no thanks.
Just kidding. We're going to the dock to see if the boat's coming. We don't even know if the boat's coming today, but we'll find out.
Hindi nila pa terbulan tahu tangan ngayon.
Machine is in. I found this really cool shell while in Arno. Isn't it just amazing? So awesome. Yeah. Well, anyways, thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you in the next one.